So how do I fix this tower to have fewer sticks? Well, honestly, the easiest way is just to cut this in half. So let's finish. Let's go over here to edit sketch. If you can't see it, just click on this plus sign and you'll find it. So edit sketch. We're gonna go back to our old buddy trim. And actually, before I do that, escape. Let's save. So let's go to here and we'll save now, and it's saying you cannot save part 1 in sketch mode. Would you like to exit sketch mode and continue saving? Yes. All that window's saying that you need to save your tower. So this is mine. I'm gonna save. And it's thinking. And it should change the name up here. Woohoo! So now I want to make a copy. So save as. Save copy as. So video Diaz Tower 2. And it's thinking. It kept the original one. I want to exit out of this. Open my new one. Open. Oh shoot. Let me find it again. Well, keep the second tower as your backup. So let's fix this first one. We're going to here, edit sketch. Go back to trim. Yeah. Don't cry. This is what I'm gonna do. Dun 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 dun. Woo! So don't go, oh my gosh, it killed my tower. Yeah, it did, but you can fix it. So escape. Let's delete these because I don't need them anymore. Let's make sure that this isn't too wide. So I want to delete these two. Delete, delete, delete. Or if you don't believe me, that's a delete. That's a nub. We'll remember that in a little bit. Delete. Okay. Clean up this side. Let's go ahead and delete this nub of a line. Delete that. Oh, had two of them. Delete that one too. I'm just gonna draw a line. Just straight up and down. Enter. And I'm gonna make sure that that line is the distance I want, which is 0.125. Aha! Now I can trim, clean this up around here, and get rid of that. And then go to the other one. Clean that up over there, and that. Okay, finish sketch. Dun dun dun. A profile loop could not be repaired after sketch geometry was edited or deleted. Use edit feature to reselect the profile. Please read these boxes. So I'm telling you here, when you see this, normally I say that, click cancel. This one, click accept. Don't freak out, your tower's still there. You just need to redo the extrusion, which is edit feature. Edit feature, edit feature, and it doesn't want to edit. That's okay, we can go back and fix this. So it'll click the spaces, but it won't click the sticks. So we gotta go back. Going back, going back. Let's edit the sketch again. We had this as a solid line. Let's go ahead and clean up these, because I found that Inventor can be unhappy the second time around. So we'll delete these now. Delete that one. And this one looks like a simple line that's left over. We are going to extend. And that should meet it up here, which it did. So I trimmed and then I extended the leftover piece. Let's try this again. Finish sketch. This is red, so it's unhappy. I remember what the warning label said, so I'm just going to jump to edit feature. Aha! See, it's brown. So it's ready to extrude. We're going to click OK. See? So here you can cut your tower in half without having to start all over again. And that's a cool thing about computers, especially Inventor, once you know your way around it. So we're done. We've cut it in half. Let's double check. Is it strong enough? Go to Environments, Stress Analysis. This may or may not work, depending on how. That's still there. Loads. That force is still there. Let's see if we can just rerun it. Ha-ha! Safety factor! Bam! Half did not work. 0.74. But that was at, what's the force? That's at 33. So, what do you do with this information? This is round 2 of your tower. So when you go to your logbook, this one, this was round 1, but when you had sticks, we had like 13. So now we're doing round 2. We cut it in half. So that's 33. I just wanted to double check where I was. So I've cut it in half. This is my second page of the logbook. We got 33 pounds and I only have a 0.74. We go here. We shall print screen. So print screen button. Oops. Print screen button. And then go here, right click, paste. And it'll update that. Let's see if we have to reduce the load to 25 to make it work. So 25. Okay. Rerun. Safety factor. Ah, so close. So close. All right. Let's go to logbook. 25 pounds, but it's a 0.98. And then we do print screen again. That's the button on your keyboard. We will right click and paste. So what does this mean? Your tower is only 74% safe. So it failed. Here we are at 98% safe. Ah, it still failed. It's so close, but it still failed, especially since we're using birch wood and not balsa, which is technically stronger. So that's too close of a call to be happy with it. So 0.98, so close, but it's still not good enough. So what can we do? Well, this is a double. If we added maybe a double stick here, or if we made the columns thicker, then that could help us. I will say that when we build our towers, the columns will naturally be thicker because we're gluing different sides together. So that should, as long as you glue it right, that should help itself. So 0.98, too close, but considering how we're going to build it, let's leave it like that and we'll keep going. Alright? So keep in mind, not good, but so close to 1 that we'll keep going. How many sticks does this tower need? Okay, so let's go back to the spreadsheet thingy. Where am I? Tower bill of materials, which is here. So I have to delete these old ones and try some new ones. So I finish, inspect, distance, start clicking on lines. Now I have 2.5 horizontal sticks. So I have 1, 2, 3, because these are double, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 sticks that are 2.5 inches. Now I go with the vertical sticks. Restart. They're 10 inches, so I got 1, 2 that are vertical. So now I got 2 that are 10. So now I gotta check the diagonal sticks. Restart. 3.182. 3.182. 2. How many? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, 3 sides did not work. I have to use 4. Whew! Cut it close. I got 9 sticks. So stick-wise, this will work. So let's go back to the technical logbook. How many sticks does your tower need now? 9. So this is buildable. So once you're done with this part, so this was first tower, strong, but it didn't work because there was too many sticks. Second tower barely works, but the way we build it, hopefully it'll pull it off. So we're at 9 sticks. So now you gotta fill out the rest. How many sides will you need to make your tower hold 100 pounds? Well, I gotta look here. To hold 100 and have as many sticks as that I can build, so I need 4 sides. So go here. How many sticks do I need? 4. What's the estimated failure load of your tower? Please, guys, this is just an example. Yours will be different. So what's your safety factor? You're going to put your safety factor here, which is this one. 0.98. What's my load? 25. How many sides am I going to build? 4. Because this works, this one didn't. And the ones above didn't because we had too many sticks. Alright? So this is what I'm going to use. 25 times 4 is 100. 100 times 0.98 means 98 pounds is where it should break. Next question. Looking at the pictures of your tower, the print screen with the colors, where would your tower break first, and explain why? Well, I'm looking at this, and I can zoom in. And this is why I wanted you to do a print screen, so you can refresh your memory. Or, if your tower's still there, you can go back to the stress analysis. And this is bigger. So 0.98. These warmer colors means that's where the tower will break first. These cooler colors means that the tower's really strong.